She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hey, there you go.
Hi.
No, wave. I can't stand. Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. And welcome DJ, my son, back to the channel. So you guys know about a year ago or so, he was getting some braids, he was growing his hair out, but he's so tender-headed, he couldn't handle it. And he just wanted to chop it off. So we cut off his high top and we was just doing like a regular fade, you know, keeping the curls at the top. But just about a month ago or so, he came to me and said that he wanted to grow his hair back out again and wanted to go back to getting braids. And I swear I asked him like a cajillion times, are you sure? Because just knowing how tender-headed he is, he said yes, he wants some braids. I don't know what made him decide to go back to getting some braids, but here we are. I honestly put it off for a while. I was procrastinating, but then he had picture day at school, and I figured his hair is long enough, so we went ahead and did some braids, and I went ahead and recorded it. So we'll be growing it out, and I'm just curious to see how long he can handle getting it braided. You know, he's, like I said, he is tender-headed, and so I'm not a heavy-handed person. I braid very lightly. Like, all of my clients will testify that I'm not heavy-handed. Like, if my braids hurt, you just got to be tender-headed. Like, I'm not just saying it because it's me. I'm like, it truly. So we'll see how long he can put up with these braids. Whenever he's ready to cut it off, I'll cut it off for him. But if he wants it braided, I told him, like, you're not about to be walking around with your hair sticking all out. So if you're going to grow it out, it got to be braided, twisted, something. So we're doing the braids, and you guys can just follow us along on the journey and see how long he grows it out. If you have a guess on how long you think he'll deal with the braids, drop it down in the comments, and I guess we'll circle back around and see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notification so you can be notified whenever I do post a new video. And I'm just gonna let you guys watch this, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye guys.
Your fighter.
Lightly inspired. Fight.
fighter.
Liking inspired. Fight. Knockout. You win.
Your fighter.
Liking inspired. Fight. Knockout. You win.
Your fighter.
Liking inspired. Fight.
fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight. Knockout. You win.
No, 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 no. Original. Yeah.